So I've got a question for us here. We want to find the equation of the line that passes through these 2 points. Well, the general rule is to find the equation of a line, we need to know two things. We need to know a point on the line, and we're squared away with that. We've actually got two of them here. And we need to know the slope of the line, which we don't know yet. So because we have the coordinates of 2 points, we can get out the formula for the slope of the line. And I'm going to substitute those coordinates in there. Now remember, it doesn't matter which point you pick to be the 2's versus the 1's, as long as you're consistent when you start putting stuff into the formula. So I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to do -4 minus 8. Right, so that's the second point's coordinate minus the first. So down in the denominator, I'm going to have to use the same order and do -1 minus 3 for the difference of the x's. Then if we do a little arithmetic, we simplify this expression, we get 3 for the line's slope. Okay, so now we're ready to actually get the equation. And to do that, we're going to get out our new slope-intercept equation. And I know the value of m. We just calculated it. So I'm going to put that in here. And it becomes y equals 3x plus b. And we still need to find that b, right? We need to get a number in there. Now, you need to be careful. I know in the previous example we looked at in the lecture, we took the y coordinate of the point we were given, put it in for b, and we were home free. You can only do that if the point you're getting the y coordinate from is the y-intercept. In other words, if it's on the y-axis. And neither of these points are. That first point is off in the first quadrant somewhere, and the second point is off in the third quadrant somewhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of those 2 points. And it doesn't matter which one. You're going to get the same answer no matter which one of them you pick. I'm going to take one of those points, and I'm going to put its x and y values into that y equals 3x plus b equation. So I'm going to use the first coordinate, the 3, 8 one. And if we put those numbers in here, the equation becomes 8 equals 3 times 3 plus b. The only variable in there is a b, right? So I should be able to solve for it. 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. And we get b equals -1. And that's the missing piece. Right, now I'm going to put 3 into that slope-intercept equation for m. I'm going to put -1 in there for b. And I get y equals 3x minus 1. That's my final result. So if you'd like to see the full context, you can click on the upper link here. That'll take you to the corresponding lecture on the slope-intercept equation. And if you like this video or just found it helpful, please don't forget to click on the like button down below.